Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Roblox how to download. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To download and install Roblox on your device, what you can do is simply head over and open up your app store. Then once you're inside, on the search bar type in Roblox and then look for an app icon like this on your search list. Then once you find it, simply tap on it, and once you're inside here, you'll be getting a get button that is highlighted in blue color. Simply tap on that and then follow the on-screen instructions to successfully download the app. And once downloaded, simply tap on open to open the Roblox app, and then once installed, you can enjoy the games that Roblox provides, and that's basically how you can do it. And if you're an Android user, all you gotta do is head over to your Play Store, search for Roblox, and then simply tap on installed, and once installed, open the app and log in or sign up. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.